Yeah, good morning, guys. Happy New Week and Happy New Month. And yeah, today you all know today is the 1st of April, and I usually drop my analysis on every pair, like on DXY, EU, Good, and other pairs, like every new month, like every new week, and and it usually falls on like Monday or Tuesday. And I intend to like make it official on like Tuesday because I would have gotten like the close of Monday that I usually used to like check out first. So right now, um let's just go straight to the point. Right now, with how I met my dollar, with how I met dollar, with the price I'm looking at, how it closed bearish. And last video I made mention of the possibility of dollar trading past this volume imbalance. Yeah, I made mention of that because of what macro is like saying. Though it's certain on the seasonal tendency, but the COT it's not really stable for now. So I get like a stable this thing because the COT is very like is a very is a tool. It's one of the best tool I utilize when trading. So once I can get like a stable this thing on all time frame on the COT, then I think I'll just go for like the immediate buyers, like targeting weekly lows, daily highs and lows, stuff like that. And right now, I know okay, if you are the type that trade ICC, you know okay, once we see price, once you see price closing like this, and you can see like a volume imbalance. I believe this is like a resistance for price to push price downward more into this bullish fair value gap at least. And why am I like trying to target this for now? Yeah, I intend to like target this for now to like because I'm setting like a target. I'm setting like how can I put it? I'm giving myself like a realistic target. I don't intend to like go for this. You understand? Like at least this is like my target. If I should go to the weekly this thing, you would really see that I'm targeting like weekly target, not that I'm looking for monthly lows or this thing. And assuming my bias on COT is very clear, then I would like no okay, we are going for this way because it's still possible price still like take this out. We can never tell. But it depends on what COT is giving me. But right now, I want to like set like a realistic expectation for myself. So I believe price would draw back into this volume imbalance to utilize this as a support to then target this low. And how did I think price is like how did I think price is building up towards that? Going to the weekly time frame, going to the weekly time frame, you can say that okay, price gave us like a weekly this is like a weekly OB on the weekly time frame, and we saw how price gravitated into this volume imbalance, though it's not clear on the monthly time frame. It's not clear. And with the way I'm seeing price action on the monthly time frame, it's very clear that price would want to like give us like a leg back into this. So on the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, I believe price already gave us like the turtle soup. We have the turtle soup already to target this high. So I believe this turtle soup on the weekly time frame to target to target this high. At least for the week, this is what I want to see. This is the high I want to like. Then after we get into this volume monthly imbalance, after we've gotten into that, then I can then now decide if we are going lower or we are still going higher. So it depends on what price intends to like give us after then. But right now for this week, this is my target. This is where I want to like take profit and then feel like okay, I'm done for the week. And how is price gravitating towards that? As we can see, Monday, what we can see, Monday took last week's low. After it took last week's low, it went up a bit, and then I believe price action today is like suggesting bullish movement into is suggesting like bullish movement. Though it might not get to this today, we might just like get like a consolidation, and we never can tell, and we might even take out this high today. So it depends on how price intends to like trade. And don't forget, on the calendar, on the calendar, this thing, Forex Factory calendar, this thing, we you can see we have like a news event around 3 p.m. today, Nigerian time, sorry. And for the week also, we have NFP on Friday. So these are like events that would really open our eye to like the direction for the month and for the coming trading weeks. So it's too early to start calling like okay, we are bullish for the month, we are bearish so it's still very early to start looking for that. But right now I believe this is like our draw. This is still like our draw for the week. And once price gets here, then NFP might then now start to like trade, push price lower to then suggest okay we are bearish, or NFP might just like even trade out of this, close bullish above this volume imbalance, and then we never can tell. We are bullish then. That's that really means that okay, we are going to like start to take out um these eyes, and you understand. So it depends on what it depends on how the week closed. So that's just like another factor we have to consider when making analysis. And coming to the 4 hours time frame, I really um like I really I took a little bit loss around there. Yeah, I utilized this 4 hours OB to like, though price didn't take me out on the Euro USD. It's just the spread. It was spread that took me out around there, because this was the um setup I had to like target this day, because I believe we are going to like sell on EU to validate my setup, to validate like I called bullishness on DXY. Definitely we are going to like have bearishness on EU. So the target I set was like I wanted to like get in with this 4 hours OB to then target this low. But spread took me out, and then I've already like accepted my loss. So till maybe like New York um or London close, then I might look for like another entry. Depends on what price gives me then. But right now the bulk of it all is just that I'm looking for like I'm looking to buy DXY into this high. So after that I'm going to like stay sideline to see how price decides to like trade, most especially after like after NFP. Or then though me saying that I'm going to like stay sideline doesn't mean that okay after it takes this high, I'm not going to like look for setup. It depends on the condition I'm meeting price at. Because if I should see willingness of price to trade higher, I might just like leave my I might just like getting into like a position. So it depends. It really depends. But I'm going to like update. But the bulk of it all is just that I want to like look for like a setup to take out this high because I believe DXY is bullish. And the setups would be selling on EU. So that's just it. Um I've already gotten like my I've gotten my information clear. Like I'm bullish for the week on DXY. Not just I can't say for the week because we still like a very volatile event on Friday. So at least I'm bullish till we take out this high and then I'm going to like monitor price. I'm going to like monitor price. Our price decides to like trade after then. But for now, I'm bullish till we take out this high. And on EU, I don't really have a lot to like say. We have similar price action on both pair. We can see this like volume imbalance right here. This so it says the same thing. Price would manipulate, and the manipulation is what we are trying to like the manipulation on the monthly time frame is what we are trying to like capitalize on the week because we believe price would take out this low. So and what are we trading what are we are trading from where this is like a weekly this is a weekly bearish OB, and this is a weekly volume imbalance, and we can see if you are to like draw it out, it's confluencing with this. So this is like telling us that okay, we are trading from like a very like a very strong key level. So shorting shorting EU from here is a very high probability trade to me. So that's why I would even like try to like look for like an entry during New York to like take take out this low on EU. So that's like how I intend to like trade for like the coming day. So if not for spread, if not for spread, like my trade is still valid right here. So that's what I have on EU. And so if you are to like check the price action, you can see we've already mitigated the volume imbalance, the weekly volume imbalance again, and we can see price like showing willingness. We took out Friday's low, and price is showing like willingness. This is also like a breaker. You can see. So price is also showing like willingness to sell from here. So why not? I believe we are still bearish on EU. So after we take out this low, then we can then decide the later outcome on EU. And there's also like this um there's this price action I would like to like show you guys on US oil. We all know with what I made mention of on DXY, I said I'm bullish on DXY. And if you are bullish on DXY, you should also like be bullish on US oil. And I saw this volume imbalance on the daily time frame, and I made this around Monday. And I took a trade on this US oil. So how did I like into this trade? The network is a bit bad. And I'm sorry, I won't be talking about gold today because I don't um he's doing like some things that it's in a condition that I don't really want to like talk about it. Yeah, gold is in a condition that I don't really want to like talk much about it. It's not like correlating with DXY for now. So I won't be touching it for now till it's moving the way I really want it to. Then I'm going to go for it. So with what I saw, this is the volume imbalance I met price at on Monday, and there is something I usually look out for when trading. This really work like a magic. On the if you have to check, we saw this volume imbalance from Friday to like Sunday. So this volume imbalance price already mitigated that area. Then going to Monday and this thing, going to Monday and Tuesday, we can see this is this is 11 o'clock, 11 and I usually look for how 11 and 12 o'clock close Nigerian time. That's like my midnight this thing, midnight gap. So I'll then look out like I don't want to like um I don't want to like annotate. I don't want to like I don't want my chart to go. So I'm going to like draw out like a trend line in form of a gap and draw it out how the close of 12, the and open of 11 o'clock and the open of 12 o'clock. I'm going to like annotate it out. After doing that, and then you can see price trade back into this area and then went up. So around two or this thing on 30 minutes this thing, I saw that okay, once I have the 12:30 and the 11 o'clock and this thing, I have the gap already. So price already trade into that and it showed us that okay, price is like ready to rally. And then during 2:30, yeah, 2:30, I met this volume imbalance on 30 minutes time frame and like I saw that okay, price is giving us like a confirmation that it wants to like rally, and I drew this volume imbalance out and then I longed US oil. Look at what it gave. This like 7 to 1. So even I took out my position around here. That's just though I took some partials at the long run, but I took this 7 to 1 trade, not 7 to 2. When I meant like when I was trading it, it was 7 to 1 or something like that. It was 7 to 1. I just bought I took most of my um position out around this eye. But I know the last this thing I took was 7 to 1. So this is like also what I want to like. Though I'll be releasing a lot of trade on US oil in the later week, or even might just be, but I want to like get more clear this thing picture on the higher time frame on DXY. So after that, then I would like also like share some setups on USO because it's also like a pair that I really like. Like it's giving like some really good energy that okay, this is a really good pair to like trade. The way it moves and everything. So for now, I won't be like talking on good. It might not be long, but for now, I'm not talking about good. So the information is very clear. I'm bullish on DXY. I'm bearish on EU. I'm bullish on US oil. So let's just stop here for now. And I wish you guys good life and good trading. Bye.